Hey y'all, I have been jumping around from one thing to another all morning. And that's what happens when I come outside. I don't have a specific thing that I'm going to do. And so I see little things. Hold on a second. You know I'm never prepared. Okay, now what I'm doing at the moment is, gotta sit down. Pushed it too long yesterday. I was in Maria's yard all day, and then I went out front and pulled weeds out of Steph's yard. But and I put straight white vinegar in all my cracks out there so I keep the weeds down. Now, um, I bought these. They're actually bed risers, okay? They're bed risers. Oh my gosh, what if I put bed risers under my bed? Then I could use my full size. What? Dang! Awesome! Oh my gosh, sometimes it takes talking to y'all for me to get something. Okay, but what I have done with these small ones and some other things is, it seems like you get these little containers like this one right here, and I need to hot glue this so this little twine will stay up at the top. So, but they don't have drainage holes. So you can see this one now has a drainage hole. And the same thing for this cute little bucket that I got at the dollar store a long time ago. So sometimes I don't want to really use stuff without a drainage hole, especially succulents. So I have tried. I love my drill. Love it, love it, love it. And this Black & Decker, it holds, that's backwards, it holds a charge for a long time. And I have a Phillips. See what they do on those makeup shows? Phillips screwdriver. Now, when I was trying to make drainage holes in this little bed riser, because y'all, come on, they're a cute size. Now, I've got other sizes as well, but these are a cute size, and they're black already, okay? I know I'm getting carried away with the black stuff. I promise my bench is not going to be black, but it is also not going to be turquoise. I'm still trying to figure that out. I'm not even sure where I'm going to put it. Okay, so now you can see, if you can, I tried to drill a hole right in the middle, which most things have a drainage hole in the middle. But I didn't even look. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's little dividers, and I was right on the top of one. So that didn't work out too well. So that's why it has the two holes. And I thought, I haven't tried this. Now, this little plastic, like Melmain, I think, container, I got 3 of these, I think, at the dollar store. And I got them for, those little dishes where you put your salt and your, that's too much trouble for me. But anyway, I thought I would see. Now, the drill went through this metal. It's thin, y'all. It's really thin. And it went through that really well. It took a bit to get these holes in, because this is pretty, that's pretty thick, y'all, that plastic, which it has to be to hold a bed. So I'm pretty sure if I used a screwdriver on this, it would break it. But let's try the drill and see what happens. You ready? Woo! Back it out. Whoops. That did pretty good. And then I just remove these little pieces right here. So now I'm going to do all of them that way because they're great to start little plants in. The other thing, let me see. Hold on. Okay, now this container also came from the dollar store, and there were 4 of them together. Now this is ceramic, y'all. This is supposed to be a ceramic bit, but it's very possible that I might bust this up. I hope not, but let's see. Okay, now I have glasses on, so I am going to move my hand though. Whoops, it's dancing. Huh. All right, that is not going to work. So I have some more bits right here. These Land O'Lakes containers are so handy. So let me see. I am no Norm Abram, okay? Now, I have a couple more that we can try. I think it's this one. Now, of course, Jerry makes fun of me because I can't ever get these. There we go. I always forget which way to go for the bit. Okay. Now, let's try this again. You have to put some pressure on it, y'all. I don't know if it's even, why, it's barely made. I guess that's not going to do it. Well, I thought that was one. Let's try this one. I know y'all can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just loading my all right. I'm getting some dust. Oh my gosh. Well, we were getting a little dust, but my bit fell out. Woo! Ow! Dang, y'all. Don't ever grab it right there. Dang, that thing was hot. Hot, hot, hot. You know, you can't tell. You cannot tell that I have even one brain cell. Okay. I have to open this hole up wider because this is a different end on this bit. Okay, let's try this one. Well, I'm not exactly being successful here. This has got to be so fascinating, y'all. I hope you're going to be able to live through it. Now, see, I have bought these ceramic drill bits, but I didn't mark them so that I know which one is which. And I don't know, some guy, of course, I don't know that any of these bits are ceramic bits. You know, now I am definitely not accusing anyone of anything, okay? But I did loan my tools out to a friend of mine. And I wonder if it's possible if he used that bit and forgot to put it back in my spinners. Oh, sounds like we might be making... Okay, did y'all see that? It just chipped a little paint off the bench, which is fine because it's going to get sanded and painted. But, look. Oh, let me sit down. Okay, y'all. Now, I did get some little tiny just pieces off of there. And that hole is not very big, but it's like a pilot hole. So now I can use a bigger bit to just make that a little bit bigger. Not much. But I think eventually if I'm going to do this stuff with ceramic, I'm going to have to go and make sure that I get a ceramic bit. And oh, look, rose bushes got me. Anyway, I'll have to get it, and then I will mark it so that now I will know for sure. So I'm gonna put a bigger one in here. Not my biggest one, because that would probably crack it. I think that one might do it. Okay. We're gonna see, y'all. These bits, I don't know what I was doing when I was buying these big, you know, long drill bits. I mean, you gotta say, that's long. Okay, let's see. Now, if this busts it, y'all are going to know. Now I always forget. Oops. Whoa. Okay, wrong way. Whoa. Y'all, I can't get this bit in here right. And no, I am not waiting for Jerry. He was here last night, y'all. And you can, okay. Ow! Okay. Now, it's kind of early, y'all, for me to be out here making. In fact, I'm surprised that Maverick has not gone crazy, Steph's dog. but he loves me. And all I have to do is say, Maverick, good boy. Because when Steph leaves and anybody delivers a package and they go to her door, Maverick goes ballistic. But it just takes a little bit for me to make him quiet. Okay, y'all. Now see, because I wasn't using the proper drill bit, I some of the little ceramic chipped there, and then the other drill bit chipped there. But I do have my hole. So that's it for this tutorial, and I'm sure you know they are going to ask me to join the party at this old house. Now, I'm going to have to turn them down because I'm kind of busy. Y'all do something fun today, and please be safe. And I'll talk to you later. Bye now.